Come on.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I spent. Pay me back when you shake it again. The dawn, all the time with all the shine. You small time, I ball with mine. Blinks, minks, Bentley is all with mine. My jams bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it, blue spots with it. Every continent love when I spit it. Corners the blocks, even the cops feel it. Brothers on lockdown on they cot feel it. It's real in the field, the last Mohican who survived in the streets and did something decent. Now I got plans to buy the whole hood. Legit now, I ain't got a lot of no judge. I make hits now, money I flip now. Hood fella, every honey wanna kiss now. I lit up my neck, pinky and wrist now. So girls everywhere, this how we get down.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice.
Yeah.
Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again. Play to win.
Yes.
Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss to a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what a hoop. Let's find out and see Cardi B. You know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip. When I go fast as a horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street, know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth, hope you hoes don't hit cheap. And I pay my mama bills, I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna kill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss to a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Bitch, you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand up on my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove, my pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch, pay her bro. I just don't over no rolls, I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank, no, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of they niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms and life from the grave. I should let these bitches know, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, another check for more than that. Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, bitch, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves.
Soulja boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja boy? That Superman. That now why me crank that soul? 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 Now why? Soulja boy, I'm in it. Why me in it? Why me rock? Superman. That yeah, why me crank that Robocop? Super friend, now why me jocking on them, hate them, mate. When I do that Soulja boy, I lean to the left, then crank that thing now. I'm jocking on you, I'm jocking on you. And if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on you. Catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters get mad, cause I got me some baby names. Soulja boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja boy, that Superman? Now why me crank that soul? 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 Now why? Soulja boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja boy, that Superman? Now why me crank that soul? 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 Now why? I'm bouncing on my toes. Why me super so yeah? I'm a pass to A-Rab and he gon' crank it up for sure. Haters wanna beat me, Soulja boy, I'm the man. They be looking at my neck, saying it's through a bang, bang, bang. Why me do it? Hey, let's get to it. No, you can't do it like me, no. So don't do it like me. Oh, I see you try to do it like me. Man, that damn ugly. Soulja boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja boy, that Superman? Now why me crank that soul? 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 Now why? Soulja boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja boy, that Superman? Now why me crank that soul? 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 Now why? I'm too fresh, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me crank that Roosevelt and super soak that? Super soak that. Super soak that. Super soak that. Super soak that. I'm too fresh now. Why me do? Why me show? Why me you? Why me?
Chillin' at the Holiday Inn. Me and my people on some drink over your friends. Feel on each other and sip on some beer. One thing leading to another, let the party begin. Call me up, said it's a hotel party. Let's bring the liquor, it's already 8 shorties. I'm on my way, let me stop by the show. Get a 12 pack of Corona, plus I roll. You know, now I'm on Highway 270 to that Red Road. I'm already blow, get third, I'ma get slow some more. Pulled up and stop for rims still spinning. Valley looking like he in the game and must be winning. To room 490, I'm headed on my way up. It's 3 girls on the elevator like, what's up? I told them follow me, they knew I had it cracking B. One said ain't true, that boy that be on BET. Yeah, that's me. Ching-a-ling, equipped with much ding-a-ling. Knock on the door, I'm on the scene of things. Busted in, hit it bottle to the face. Feel like my head a toxic waste. It's some pretty girls in her. I heard them whispering, talking about let's do this, sing like her. Keep listening, I ain't come to talk, I ain't come to sit. What I came for was to find out who I'm gon' hit off, yeah.
Chillin' at the Holiday Inn. Me and my peeps, won't you bring 4 of your friends? Feel on each other and step on some hand. One thing leading to another, let the party begin.
Nothing chillin' at the Holiday Inn. Me and my people on some drink over your friends. Feel on each other and sip on some beer. One thing leading to another, let the party begin.
My shoulder, like what's the hold up? Man over, get the raps and roll up. I took a chick in the bathroom, seeing what's poppin'. You know what's on my mind, shirts off and panties dropping. Knocking on the door drunk, acting silly. The girl said, can I be in your video? I'm like, yeah, oh really? Now she think it's strip teasing. Me, I'm just cheesing. She gave me a reason to be a damn heathen. Handle that, told OG, bring the camera. Then I thought about it, no footage as I ran her. Walked out the bathroom smiling, cat still wildin'. Sharing the next room with girls looking like they from a island. Chillin' at the Holiday Inn. Me and my peeps, won't you bring 4 of your friends?
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he bail, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and they got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell. He always in the air, but he never flies out. They about to drip, drip, sell her all the drip, drip. When he make it drip, drip, kiss him on her lip. Like that's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my like pelican fly.
Alright you guys, so I am absolutely blown away. This hair is from Kriyya hair and they sent over a 13x4 lace front unit. This is a 24-inch and I'm not sure of the density, but I will leave that information down below for you guys. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with the results that I received with this flat iron, you guys. Like, my hair is so silky bone straight. This hair is absolutely beautiful. The other thing that I really enjoyed about this unit is the fact that it is a true 13x4 frontal. You don't have like any parts of it that are compromised by tracks or anything like that. It is a full 13x4. So I love that. You guys know how hard it's been to find a true frontal unit these days. I also wanted to show you guys an up close look at this lace because baby, this lace is so freaking amazing, you guys. Like, look at how my edges turned out. I'm always trying to make sure that I pay attention to whatever hair trends are going on, and I noticed these types of baby hairs are very popular right now. So I wanted to show you guys how you guys can achieve the same look at home. So I have worked with Kriyya hair in the past, so they're definitely not new to any of my old subscribers, but I definitely like their hair, you guys. They do have pretty good quality hair. At this point, I have tried their curly hair and I've tried their straight hair. This is their beautiful straight hair. Like, you guys, are you kidding me right now? So if you guys want to get this look, you guys can check out the description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with a direct link to this amazing flat iron, you guys. I am obsessed with it. Like, honestly, this is my new must-have. I feel like I can't style my hair anymore without this. I feel like this is one of the best flat irons out there on the market, and if you don't know about it, you definitely need to get your hands on one. One thing that I love about this flat iron is the fact that it got my hair super bone straight, but there's no burnt hair or anything on the plates. A lot of times when flat irons are like this and they're super hot, like my Babyliss flat iron, I love my Babyliss flat iron, don't get me wrong, everybody loves Babyliss. It's an expensive flat iron, it is amazing, and they do have titanium plates. However, the problem is that a lot of times my hair ends up melting on the plates, and I have to clean the plates off. The hair will melt and it'll be like black on the plates. That's one thing that I don't like about that flat iron, and you have to clean it, because if you don't clean the plates off and you're flat ironing your hair, it's just gonna smell like burnt hair. But this flat iron, it's so smooth, there's no hair burnt on the plates. Absolutely amazing. And this flat iron goes all the way up to 450 degrees. The other thing that I love about it is the fact that it does have a swivel at the bottom, so you don't have to worry about your cord getting all tangled into anything. So yeah, you guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and you guys enjoyed today's look. If you did, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.